cold currents are sweeping along the coast of Florida. And with them come grey mullet on their migration to their spawning grounds in the south. Millions of them, and packed so tightly they stain the water like an oil slick. Few people on the beach are even aware of them. The mullet keep as close to the shore as possible, for in deeper water there are predators. Close to the beach, they have to keep clear of human swimmers. But now hunters from the open ocean have detected them. Tarpon, over 2 meters long and weighing over 100 kilograms. To get close to the mullet in the shallows, the tarpon turn on their sides. Now the mullet can't see their shining silver flanks until it's too late. And feasting begins. Black-tipped shark arrive. Pelicans join in. But these attacks have little effect on the immense shoals. The mullet outnumber their enemies by 10,000 to 1.